Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have an essential networking product on the spotlight. The D-Link 5-port Gigabit Ethernet network switch. We'll dive into its features, benefits, and why it might be the perfect addition to your home or office network. One of the standout features of the D-Link switch is its plug-and-play functionality. No need for complex configurations or software installations, making it incredibly user-friendly. With 5x10 101,000ths of a megabit per second gigabit Ethernet ports, this switch offers lightning-fast connections for up to 5 devices. Perfect for streaming, gaming, or data-intensive tasks. The switch supports Auto 1501 MDIX, eliminating the hassle of crossover cables. It automatically detects the best connection method for your devices. For gigabit connections, it supports 9216-byte jumbo frames, optimizing data transfer for larger files or media streaming. The fanless, quiet design ensures it won't disrupt your workspace with noisy cooling. It's cost-effective and energy-efficient, making it an excellent long-term investment. The D-Link switch includes IEEE 802.3x flow control, providing reliable data transfer and minimizing packet loss. It comes with a limited lifetime warranty, offering peace of mind. Additionally, you get free 24/7 technical support for any assistance you may need. Consider bundling this switch with Amazon Basics RJ45 Cat6 Ethernet patch cable and SnowKids HDMI 2.1 cable for a comprehensive networking setup. We've also looked at some alternative switches available on the market, so stay tuned for a comparison. The D-Link 5-port Gigabit Ethernet network switch is a reliable and efficient addition to any home or office network. With its simple setup, high-speed connections, and cost-effective design, it's hard to go wrong with this switch. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more information and the best deals. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth product reviews.